A person walks an empty road just before dawn. A deep weariness lives in his bones from a journey that feels endless. In the vastness, he feels small, forgotten. To be forgotten, he believes, is to be finished. But this moment of quiet despair is precisely where change can begin. The silence is an invitation to listen as the first light of dawn breaks. He realizes being forgotten is not the same as being finished. Healing is a slow and gentle light. It does not arrive like a sudden flood, washing everything away in a single, dramatic day. Instead, it comes as a series of small, conscious choices you make for yourself. The very first choice is to begin the process of letting go. This means letting go of the heavy anchor of the past. It means releasing your grip on old pain, memories that no longer serve you, things that only keep you tethered to a place you have already left. The next choice, equally important, is to practice forgiving yourself. Forgive yourself for the times you felt lost and wandered down the wrong road. Forgive yourself for the times you did not know what to do. Forgive yourself for not being who you thought you should be. Forgiveness is not the same as forgetting. It is not about erasing the past or pretending it did not happen. It is about choosing peace over punishment, an intentional decision to move forward without the heavy bags of regret and resentment. During this delicate phase of healing, be gentle with your body, for the mind and body are deeply connected. Ensure you get enough sleep, allowing your physical self to rest and repair. Move your body in ways that feel good. A slow walk, a gentle stretch, dancing in your living room. Eat foods that nourish you and help you feel steady and grounded. These are acts of love toward yourself. Breathe slowly and deeply. When difficult feelings arise, do not run from them. Sit with them for a moment. Give them a name. Say to yourself, "I feel sad right now," or "I feel afraid," and that is okay. Rebuilding is where work and hope meet. It is the phase where you actively construct the new life your healing made possible. Not a single grand leap. One small, sturdy stone at a time, day after day. Begin by setting one clear, achievable goal. Make it so small it feels easy to accomplish. Waking up at the same time every morning. Reading one page of an inspiring book each day. Calling one friend or family member each week. The magic is not the size, it's consistency. Small actions repeated every day carve a reliable path. You will encounter discomfort. Days with low motivation, old habits calling, or stalled progress. That's okay. Discomfort, minds, growth. Embrace it as a companion. Practice courage in small moments. Choosing action despite discomfort builds capability and resilience. Keep a simple log of your wins. Celebrate them. Rebuilding is also learning. Each step, success or not, gives information. If a habit doesn't stick, you learned what doesn't work, not failure. Adjust your approach with that wisdom. Maybe the goal was too big. Maybe you need different support. Action, reflection, adjustment. Build habits and a deeper understanding of yourself. Learn what you truly need to thrive. Steady, intentional work creates momentum. Small efforts begin to connect and build. Soon, the small stones form a solid foundation. You look back and see a purposeful path you built with your own hands. Section 4. Using AI as an ally. In this era of renewal, we can use technology, including artificial intelligence, to rebuild our lives with greater intention. AI can serve as a gentle guide, suggesting small positive habits tailored to your goals. The key is to approach these tools with mindfulness. Practice digital wellness by setting clear boundaries that protect your peace. Use AI as a coach, not a crutch. Curate your digital environment to be a source of support. Your phone can be a distraction, or a pocket-sized sanctuary. Making that choice consciously is a powerful act of self-care. Section 5. The sunrise of transformation, from pain to purpose. Transformation is the final, beautiful scene in this journey of renewal. It is not a sudden, dramatic event that happens overnight. Instead, it arrives gently and gradually, much like a sunrise. The deep darkness of night does not vanish in an instant. It slowly fades as the sky brightens, hue by hue. One day you notice that you feel stronger. The pain from your past is not entirely gone. It may always be a part of your story, but its quality has changed. It no longer feels like a heavy weight that holds you down. Instead, it has become fuel. Your pain becomes your teacher. It is through navigating your deepest hurts that you learn the profound art of caring for yourself. This transformation teaches you how to set firm, healthy boundaries. Because you have known the pain of having your boundaries crossed, you now understand their sacred importance. You learn what you truly value in life, because you have experienced its opposite. Resilience grows not from avoiding hardship, but from moving through it with calm and intention. Self-mastery grows from the daily practice of choosing small, conscious acts with care. You learn to listen more deeply to your own inner voice and to others. You learn when to say no with grace and confidence. You learn how to hold your ground without aggression. You learn when to open your hand and help someone else who is walking their own lonely road. Your power shifts. Before, you may have thought power was about control, controlling outcomes, controlling others, controlling your own feelings. Now, you understand that true power lies elsewhere. It is found in clarity, in seeing yourself and your situations with honesty and without judgment. It is found in acceptance, in making peace with what you cannot change and focusing your energy on what you can. And it is found in action, in taking those small, purposeful steps every single day. This new strength is quiet and steady. It is a power that does not need to announce itself or push others aside. It simply is, radiating a calm confidence from your very core. You begin to see your past not as a source of shame, but as the training ground that forged your character. Every stumble, every tear, every moment of despair contributed to the wisdom and compassion you now hold. You are not the same person who started walking on that empty road. You have been reshaped by your journey. You carry your experiences not as burdens, but as badges of your resilience. You know that being forgotten for a season did not mean you were finished. You have learned that healing is a kind choice, that rebuilding is steady work, and that transformation is always possible. This is the gift of the journey. It turns your deepest wounds into your greatest strengths. The path forward. You were never lost. It's time for a simple plan, your guide forward with small, manageable steps. First, name the truth. You are not finished. Next, let go of one small thing from the past. A regret, a piece of self-criticism. Release it. Then, commit to one small, positive daily action. Let this be a stone in your new foundation. Finally, use one digital tool as an ally to support your journey. These simple steps, practiced consistently, build a life of quiet peace. You will look back and realize you hold a new strength, born from resilience. You know that transformation is inevitable when you commit to yourself.